Hi guys, you're watching Scrap in Scotland. I'm going from a absolutely roasting scorching day. It's went absolutely teeming it down with rain. So not sure if you can hear it hitting the roof in the shed, but it is heavy. So we're in the shed, we'll shut the door and we will just crack on and get some stuff taken apart. So I'm going to take this apart today. This is a vacumat by Tasky, and these are like floor cleaners, and obviously they have, as like the top of Henry Hoovers or these industrial Hoovers, they do have motors inside them. So my plan is to release the motor from this. Now they are quite difficult to take apart, they're certainly not easy. The types of motors we'll get out of them, I'll show you. So it'll be a motor like this, typical kind of Hoover motor, but this is actually really heavy, and you can see the copper inside it is really nice, good quality copper. So they are worth taking apart. Okay. So we're going to take this one apart. I have taken a few of them apart before, but as I say, they can be quite difficult, and that is due to sometimes inside, because they're floor cleaners, they use water. Sometimes the screws inside are rusted, and that just, it's an absolute nightmare if that's the case, because you need to try and get the grinder in and grind off the rusted screw. Okay, so we can only see what it's like once we get it apart, so we'll get as much of it apart as we can, and then we'll see where that takes us. Okay, thanks for watching guys. So the first thing, there's no screws on the bottom of it, so we'll have to pry this orange piece off the main unit. As you can see, doing that, there's these little clips. There's a little clip here, there's one over here, and we can just pry them free of the clips. Okay. So we'll stick this big piece in the plastic recycling, and we'll stick this other bit of foam to one side, because we can use that for packaging. We'll try and reuse all we can, guys. Now right away, as soon as I've taken it off, not sure you're going to be able to see that, but in here there's a very rusted screw. Okay, and there's one on the other side as well, and they are rusted. So hopefully we can still get our screwdriver in and take them out, because if we can't, it's a nightmare. So I do try and do that with the big screwdriver. Gives me a little bit more leverage, and it does grip these screws really well. So you can see there's one that's definitely just rusted right through. No way I'm going to get that out with a screwdriver. But the second one does come out. Now I know there are tools for taking like rusted screws out, but unfortunately I don't have them. I am going to have to use the grinder and cut through it. It's not ideal, don't like cutting through the plastic, but unfortunately it's what I need to do here. Now because I'm going to cut through plastic, fumes aren't great, So I am going to use a mask. Actually, that was so quick and easy I probably didn't need it, but you know, caution. Keep all your little motor clips because they are all brass. Lots of videos online of people harvesting these. I harvest them as well. You can put them as dirty brass or you can clean them up and put them as clean brass. I've just got a big bucket of them, so I'll decide a bit later on whether I want to clean them up or not. For now they just go in the bucket. And the wire just goes in our household. Okay. So now we need to twist it to get it off this bottom piece. This can be quite difficult as well. If you watch my channel, you know my motto, scrapping ain't easy, folks. But this one, for some reason, has really played ball, and it's been really easy. So this time, scrapping is easy. That then releases our motor. It's actually a little different from what I sort of showed you before, but the principle is the same. And we'll just put that with the rest of our motors ready for processing when we do our motors. Okay, so there it is, guys. See the copper there. As you can see how badly rusted tops of these are. Now you can see why they were thrown out. Because not in good shape, not in good shape at all. Lots of rust. So we just put this in a mortar pile. We do have plastic here. There's a little bit of metal in it. which was obviously the screw that we pulled off, or we cut through. There's a metal screw. Take out the rubber seal. Okay, there is another seal here. It's for an airtight seal. And then all we're left with is our plastic, and we can put that in our plastic recycling. And that's it, guys. I've got maybe 3 or 4 of them to do. That's how you take apart a Tasky vacumat and release the motor from it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, even if you're watching a little bit of the video, if you're watching all the video, if you scroll to the end, please hit that like button. It does help the videos a lot, and hopefully it allows other people to see the videos as well. If you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated, and again allows me to do more videos and bring some different videos, try to do different things all the time to you guys, and hopefully you're enjoying them. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. We will see you next time on Scrapping Scotland. Remember, scrapping ain't easy. Bye for now.